Alright, today I'm going to be showing you and walking through the steps on setting up an API key through VirusTortle. First thing you're going to do is go to virustortle.com and go to the sign in page, and we're going to go ahead and sign in here with our email and password. Once we sign in, you're going to see your account page here. You click on your name and you're going to go down to API key. Once the API key loads, you're going to see that right below here where it says API key. Right below there you're going to have your API key, and you're going to copy and paste that into whatever application you might be using. It could be a custom PHP application, it could be the security tools application that's out there, it could be for whatever. So that's how you get the API key. If it's not there, sometimes you have to request the API key, or if you do more than 4 requests per minute using that API key, there's a button here to the right that says request premium API key, which will unlimit that limit that you have. So it's 4 minutes. It's actually on this page, 4 minutes requests per minute, over 5,000 requested daily, and there's the monthly quota. So if you do pass that, you can see this has actually been pretty new. It shows you the consumption of the API, how many hits you get every day for the past 30 days, which is really nice to see that. So yeah, that's how simple it is to get your API key.